What's up guys, welcome to our next adventure. Today we are ditching the factory spare tire carrier and we're installing the FabFours Spare Tire Delete. Until we can get the tailgate hinge situation rectified, I don't want to be staring at this thing. We have Broncopalooza coming up this weekend. So we're going to take this off and put the FabFours Spare Tire Delete on as a temporary thing, just to clean the look of the back of the truck up until we can get the rest sorted out. So we'll go over what's in the kit, we'll get this one off, we'll get the new one installed, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is what comes in the Spare Tire Delete kit from FabFours. You have the bracket, the brake light holder, and some hardware. It should be pretty straightforward. So first thing we're going to do is get the old one off. Alright, so the first step is we're going to take a T27 Torx bit, remove these to take the brake light extension off. Next, we're going to use a T25 Torx bit to separate the brake light extension. Alright, now we need to separate the third brake light from the holder. Brake light is free, we'll separate that off to the side. Alright, now we're going to use a 13mm to remove the holder. The T25 again, the camera holder out. Alright, before we install the new bracket, we need to take this provided rubber trim and apply it to all four corners. Now that we got the edges trimmed out, we need to put this back up using 4 of the original mounting holes. We'll just run the third brake light through this gap for now. Don't know how exactly this will work, considering I still have the rough country bracket on it. We'll find out. Alright, since this bottom hinge has been pulled out as part of the damage of what we broke, this is going to have a slight tip out this way. There's nothing I can do about it until we get a new mounting system. Alright, so step one is getting the camera holder bar put into the bottom using the supplied hardware. Then you will drop the camera into position. It'll line up like so. Then you take the third brake light holder, and that also acts to hold the camera in position. Lower it in, so it'll sit just like this. Then we'll go ahead and use the rest of the remaining hardware to attach it through here. Alright, we got the third brake light holder in place, and that is pressing the camera down and in. Now we need to insert the third brake light down into this space and screw it in through the mounting holes in the back. One thing I will add, if you are installing any accessory, like they make jerry can holder or Rotopax mount, you can mount a Rotopax here, or flag mount, or there's a bunch of accessories that you can mount on this plate. You want to do that before you bolt it to that, just to make your life easier. But otherwise, this is ready to install. We will need to loosen those out. Top bolts back up just to get this piece started and installed. So, learn from my mistake. Don't tighten these all the way down when you're installing it. Just get them started. You will need to undo them to reinstall the piece. Alright, so now that we have those bolts out, it's time to plug the camera and backup light back in. All right, so that's installed. We're going to do a quick check to make sure the brakes work. Oh, I can't really check it by myself. We'll hope that works. All right, so the last piece of the puzzle, it does give you plugs for these, so you can take these out, the tire spacers. That's the easier way to do that. We'll clean it off. And that's it. We're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button to help us grow the channel. Drop us a comment down below. And hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. We'll check you on the next adventure. Peace.